Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the WLAN or Wi-Fi card in your Panasonic Toughbook CF-53. First thing you want to do is remove the battery. This unit already has that done. Then flip it over. You don't have to remove a bunch of screws or the whole bottom plate. There's one screw on this center door here. Remove it. Now that it's exposed, you want to remove the two connectors, one gray and one blue. Be careful not to break them. Then the two screws holding down the actual card. And now you can remove and replace. Since this is just an example, I'll put that right back in. Put the two screws back and then the two connectors. And the only thing left is put the door. And you're all done. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you for watching.